Pending orders. Pending orders are another way to automatically open a trade when specified conditions are met. The first option is to specify a price on the chart where, upon reaching, a trade will be opened. You can set the minimum rate of return. If the price does not reach the desired quote or the rate of return is lower than the one specified, the trade will not open. This option is often used in combination with technical analysis, such as support and resistance levels. The second option is to specify the time when the trade should open. This order will be executed only if the rate of return at the moment is higher than the one specified. This option is often used when trading on the news, especially when the time of a news event will cause movement in the market and is known in advance. After setting the conditions in the pending order, you need to specify the amount of the transaction, the duration of the trade, and the direction of the trade, either up or down. After that, the order will be created. You can manage your pending orders in the Trades menu. You can also cancel a trade in the same menu if necessary.